Hi, my name's Devin James, and I was the 3D animator on this demo reel. So right off the bat, this first piece here is for Capri Sun noise-canceling juice pouches. And another spoof commercial. This is Geico Gecko's cereal. I was the VFX supervisor on this one. Everything in the shot is real except for the cereal box. So here's a couple shots from Amsoil Industrial. You know, most people don't think about changing the oil in their wind turbine, but that's something that you have to do. And for this one, they gave me basically a bunch of illustrations. So this is Wax. This is a collaboration between Lil Baby, the rapper, and Axe. And the only direction was basically Lil Baby loves diamonds and wants to cover all of these products in diamonds. But they had a whole pack. The toothbrush, body spray, deodorant, and I think one other thing, like a headband or something, that were all just covered in fake diamonds. And here's a piece I did for Virginia Lottery. This one actually played in the theaters on the big screen, but I never got a chance to go see it. You know, you might be surprised how often I don't get to see the final product of the things that I make. That's your job. I don't have to watch my own ads. Similar thing with Buffalo Wild Wings. I have maybe been to the restaurant twice, but I've done like 100 of their ads. You only see it for a glimpse, but that spinning rack is part of a series for a company that makes the display stands for Five Below and Wawa. To get the reference for the Wawa stand, I emailed corporate and asked them if I could come in and take photo reference of their store, and they never responded to me, so I just went and did it anyway. And no one said a word when this guy just walked in with a DSLR and started taking pictures of every angle of the coffee stand. Sometimes it's better to ask forgiveness than permission. Now this one was kind of weird. Oreos and Coke teamed up to make a Coke-flavored Oreo cookie. I tried them, and while I did not care for them, they do taste like Coke. It's surprising. They use Pop Rocks to kind of simulate the fizz in the cream. Very clever. So this ambulance and police line stuff, this is for a medical training program. Ooh, fake sports graphics. I'm not a big sports ball kind of guy, but I absolutely love all the little shiny, flashy graphics. I am the can guy now. Bud Light, Budweiser, Twisted Tea, Coors. I'm sure I'm forgetting some more. I've done a lot of different cans. So we got some more classic 2D, 2.5D with a little 3D camera move on it. That one was for Henry Ford Health, and I didn't even know that that was a thing. I thought they made cars. Apparently they also do healthcare. So here's some work I did for Amazon Web Services. I did all the design work, and then after I finished the ad, I happened to see another Amazon Web Services made by Buck that looked incredible, but it also broke all the design rules established in the brand guide that Amazon Web Services gave me. So I'm like, what the heck, Buck? I didn't know you could do that. You just ignored their branding. Well, sometimes you can break the rules. Makes me want to go back and redesign my piece though, so it actually looks better, because I felt constrained a little bit by their color palette. Anyway, whoa, logos and text. Logos and text montage, everybody. Yeah, I think I've done a lot of interesting things over the years. I am very lucky to have this as a career and be able to make motion graphics for a living. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed learning a little more about my work, and hope you have a great day. Bye!